Patrick, you sure clean up good. I am so honored to stand here with you today to officially start our next chapter. Who knew the boy who would mess up my hair in the high school hallways when we would pass by each other would become somebody who embodies what love means to me. I'm so glad you said yes to being my boyfriend because I'm so proud of saying yes to being your wife. You have taught me how to love myself, as loving you has been the easy part. Patrick, I love you. And at the end of the day, it's me and you, just us two.
Wendy, thinking through the 14 years we have spent together, I struggle to find the words to express my love to you. This made me realize a few things. I wish I paid more attention in school. And there are no words for me. There's no words for me. There are no words for me to. Oh, really? There are no words for me to tell you how much you mean to me. So I will show you. I will show you by always being there for you when you need someone to talk to, by being with you during the good times and by your side during the bad ones. I will show you by supporting you in whatever you choose to do in life and accepting you for who you are and loving you unapologetically. Your hand fits in mine like it's made just for me.
You have joined your hands to accept one another. Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of Alberta, I pronounce you husband and wife.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. To the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. Get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment.
Thank you from the bottom of our heart. It truly means a lot for all of us. Please
Over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let's dance this night away.
I like how we all go.